Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Pixel 3 XL and ejecting the SIM. This prevents short circuits. Once done, heat the phone's lower bezel to about 9100 degrees C so the adhesive softens and the screen separates cleanly. Make sure to work over a soft cloth to catch small parts. Use a strong suction cup and a thin plastic pick to create a gap. Constant, gentle leverage prevents cracking. Take your time. Rushing here risks popping the OLED or bending the frame. Once the front panel is lifted, immediately remove the T3 screws securing the midframe and unclip the back cover components. This gives access to the flex connectors. Next, disconnect the battery first, then the display and front camera flexes to avoid powering live links. You want to move slowly when detaching connectors. Use a plastic spudger to avoid shorting. Transfer the loudspeaker, earpiece, and any metal shields from the old assembly to the new screen, so mounting holes and thermal. Reconnect the display and battery temporarily and power the phone to verify touch, display, and camera operation. This prevents resealing a faulty part. Once confirmed, disconnect power, apply fresh adhesive strips around the frame, align the new screen starting at the top, then press down evenly along edges to seat it. Reinstall screws and the SIM tray, then power up for a final check. If the screen shows glitches or unresponsive touch, reseat connectors and clean contacts. Dirt or misalignment causes most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.